right, well, we're here to not so much show you the house, but we want to show you how we do showings with COVID-19. Nice single stall garage. Come on in. We're going to take good care of you. See the booties? We wear booties, and we're going to give you a pair of booties when we show you a home, all right? So come in here to the kitchen. Some of the best conversations are held in the kitchens. Again, this home is at 318 First Street Northwest in Watertown. Come on in and spread some cheer. Let's be happy while we're here. All right, real good. We're going to show you how we show houses. And if you'd like to see this home, call us after this video and we'll get you right up here. It has been sanitized with Clorox disinfectant wipes, kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. And don't you just know, with the COVID-19, we don't want to take any chances. So our association has sent us an information sheet on how to show you this home and any home. All of the realtors in Watertown are doing this. We've opened doors and windows in this home, and we have sanitized each knob, each handle, everything. And when you come into a home, you will see all of the doors open, you'll see all of the drawers open, and you'll find a window or two open also. We're going to leave these open so when the next agent, or if we come in and show you this home, you will know that it has been cleaned. We're going to turn the lights on for you. You don't have to touch any light switches, and we ask that you don't touch any light switches. As long as we're in the home, we might as well take a real quick walk through. You open the window, and that's a big part of these showings. You've got to keep the air moving through these homes, and it's all about letting fresh air flow through the house during the showings. Backyard is real pretty when it's in full bloom. And we're going to ask, when you go to a showing, when you call for a showing and you're there, don't touch anything in the house. Don't touch the knobs. Don't touch the handles. Just know that we're going to have all of those items open for you. Every drawer, every door, everything, we're going to have it open for you. Come in this room here. This is the living room, and it has a real nice set of storage doors down on the bottom. Look at that. They're open, and they have been wiped off. Please bring your own car. Drive your own car. Remember in the old days when people used to ride with the realtor? They don't do that so much anymore. And during COVID-19, the coronavirus, well, it's just best that we all take our own vehicles. Booties, we talked about booties. We'll supply booties, and we have red ones for you. You're going to love those red booties. All right, there's more to it. Always bring your own hand sanitizer. You know, you get a bottle in here, it gets touched by you don't know who, and we don't want you to get sick one little bit. There's so much going on these days, but sometimes a home has to be sold. And how do they say it? If you are an essential business, you can stay open. Well, selling your home might be essential to your life. Maybe you're moving out of town. Maybe it's a health thing. You know what? You just have to sell a home when it's time to sell it, and you have to buy a home when it's time to buy it. So we'd sure appreciate you working with us. We are ASAP Real Estate and Auction. I'll give you two phone numbers. Talk to Gene Volch, 605-520-3604. My name's Jim, and along with Brenda Kay, we'll sure show you any home you'd like to see listed on the MLS. My number, 605-880-9129. I left something out. They're asking that you do not bring children on home showings. Thank you very much for your attention, and we hope to work with you real soon. ASAP Real Estate and Auction.